Have you ever wondered what the ultimate outdoor smartwatch will look like? The wait might be over sooner than you think. Garmin has not officially announced the Fenix 9 yet. However, a recent earnings call gave us a huge clue. The CEO made it very clear. Major high-end outdoor watches are coming in the second half of 2026. He did not say the name Fenix directly. But let us be completely honest. When Garmin talks about its best outdoor products, the Fenix line is always the main focus. It is the centerpiece of their lineup. This timing is incredibly interesting. In the past, Garmin did not rush its updates. The gap between the Garmin Fenix 7 and the Garmin Fenix 8 was quite long. Pro versions made that life cycle even longer. You used to wait a very long time for the next big number. But things are changing right now. All signs point to Garmin moving faster. They are aiming for a regular, annual release cycle. This is a huge shift for the premium outdoor category. It means upgrades will be more predictable. Garmin will be more competitive. They will act more like other major tech brands. Instead of waiting years, we might see a steady rhythm of top-tier releases. This is great news for tech lovers. Now, let us dive into the biggest rumors. A massive talking point right now is the display technology. There is a lot of speculation about the screen. Garmin might use MicroLED technology. This could sit right alongside AMOLED and MIP options. If Garmin does this, it is a game changer. MicroLED means much better brightness when you are outdoors in the sun. It also means improved battery efficiency. You could get stronger battery life even with a very rich and bright display. This is exactly what outdoor adventurers want. You want to see your map clearly in bright sunlight. You also do not want your watch to die halfway up a mountain. MicroLED solves both of these problems perfectly. It is the next big step in smartwatch screens. There is also exciting talk about a faster processor. Honestly, this upgrade feels very overdue. The Garmin Fenix 8 is a powerful watch. No one denies that. However, users have noticed some issues. When you use maps and navigation, the watch can feel a little slow. It can feel sluggish when zooming or panning. A brand new chipset could fix this completely. It would smooth out all the screen transitions. It would speed up the map rendering. The whole interface would feel much snappier and responsive. When you are on a trail, you need fast information. You do not want to wait for your map to load. A faster processor will make the Fenix 9 feel truly premium. Connectivity is another huge area for the Fenix 9. People are wondering what Garmin will do next. Will they push further into independent LTE? Will they add deeper satellite communication? For serious adventurers, this is a very big deal. Better off-grid messaging is a lifesaver. More standalone capability means you can leave your phone behind. Imagine going on a long hike without your heavy phone. You could still get messages. You could still call for help in extreme environments. It would push the Fenix closer to being a true phone replacement. This would be a massive selling point for the Fenix 9. Next, let us talk about health tracking. There are many unconfirmed whispers about advanced sensors. We are hearing about expanded ECG capabilities. We are also hearing about broader health tracking metrics. Some rumors even talk about blood glucose monitoring. However, we must be careful. That specific feature is still very much just a rumor right now. But it shows where the industry is heading. People want to know everything about their bodies. Garmin already does a great job with health stats. But the Fenix 9 could take it to a whole new level. It could become your ultimate health and fitness doctor on your wrist. Let us move beyond the rumors for a moment. The real insight comes from looking at what needs improvement. What do real users actually want? First, battery life is already strong. Yes, Garmin is famous for that. But people want more convenience. Wireless charging is mentioned all the time. It is the year 2026. Many people feel a flagship watch at this high price must offer modern charging. We want faster charging. We want easier docking stations. We want fewer frustrating, proprietary charging cables. Modern size is another topic that comes up a lot. Many users miss having a truly compact Fenix option. Not everyone wants a massive watch on their wrist. A large watch can be annoying for everyday wear. It can bump into things. It can feel heavy when you sleep. A smaller and lighter flagship variant is needed. It would make a lot of people very happy. You should not have to sacrifice top features just to get a smaller watch. Garmin needs to offer the best tech in a sleek, compact size. Finally, we need to talk about software polish. Garmin makes amazing hardware, but even longtime Garmin fans admit the truth. The menus can feel very layered. The software can be occasionally confusing. Finding a simple setting can sometimes take too many clicks. Streamlining the user interface is critical. Making the features more intuitive would go a long way. It would completely modernize the user experience. You should not need a manual